Hey, it's Ben. I have this portable car player with CarPlay and Android Auto. The company sent this to me and has compensated me for this video. We're going to unbox it and take a closer look at everything that's inside. First of all, we have the power adapter. This is just a standard lighter adapter. We have a suction cup mount and a ball joint that will connect to the back of the screen. Audio cable, stereo 1/8 inch. This is the video input for the backup camera and the camera itself and all the wires, along with some diagrams and some adhesive hooks to help manage all the wiring. And then there's an instruction manual that covers getting started and setup. Finally, we have the 7-inch screen. Starting at the left, we have our auxiliary audio input. The next to that, the AV in is for the backup camera. Next to that is the input. You can use this to plug your phone directly in for a wired connection. Next to that is a media card input, and next to that is the DC in or the power. There's also a built-in microphone in the front for voice commands. On the back there is a built-in speaker for audio. This is for attaching the bracket for the connection. Here's a closer look at the backup camera. Okay, so real quick, I just want to show you the versatility of this arm. So once you have the ball joint connected, this arm will extend out and tighten up, and then this joint also adjusts. And it gives you a lot of options as far as how you want to position it. Okay, so I have the lighter jack plugged in, and let's just get the power plugged in. Okay, so I'm going to be testing this out in the 2013 Chevy Cruze. We do not have any sort of CarPlay. As you can see, this is old technology. So first of all, let me talk about the 3 different ways the audio can connect. There is the built-in speaker. Second of all, there is an auxiliary cable. If your car is equipped with an aux in, you can output from the screen and then plug this into your car. If you do not have an auxiliary input, the third feature, which is really pretty cool, is an FM transmitter. So you can choose an FM station that does not have anything broadcasting on it, and it will transmit the audio that way. There we go. For the wired connection, you just need to plug in your wire to the USB, then plug the other end of the wire into your phone. So I have it plugged in. We're going to go to CarPlay, and we have a connection. So now all of these apps are coming from the iPhone. Okay, so that's just a quick look at the wired car setup. If you hit this little dot up here, it gives you a little quick menu. You can go back to the home screen where you can access the extra settings. You can also adjust the volume output from the device, and you can power down the screen if you'd like. Okay, so for the initial wireless setup, we're going to make sure Wi-Fi is on and make sure our Bluetooth is on. And then we're going to wait until SWL-BT shows up in our list of devices to connect to. Then we're going to tap it to connect. When it asks for a pin, we're going to do 0000 and pair. And once the Bluetooth is connected, then it will automatically go to the CarPlay interface, and it will be fully wirelessly connected to CarPlay. Then besides CarPlay, there's a number of other different features. You can play Bluetooth music. There's some different apps so where you can play off of the SD card. You have some sound adjustments. You can still make Bluetooth calls. So there's a lot of different options, very versatile device. If you want to add a more sophisticated display to your older car, this is a great option for that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.